Hello everyone. In this video, I will walk you through how to connect RevenueCat to your App Store. First, open App Store Connect and go to Users and Access. From there, click on the Integrations tab, then select App Store Connect API. Now create a new API key. Make sure you give it App Manager access, because lower permissions may cause the connection to fail. After creating the key, download the P8 file. You will only be able to download it once, so store it safely. Also copy the key ID and the issuer ID, as you will need both later. Next, go to your RevenueCat dashboard. Create a new project, then add a new app inside that project. Enter your iOS Apps Bundle ID exactly as it appears in App Store Connect. After that, find the App Store Connect API section in the App Settings. Upload the P8 file you downloaded earlier and paste the issuer ID into the correct field. Now go back to App Store Connect. Open your app, then navigate to the Features tab and select Subscriptions. Here you will find the option to generate a shared secret. Copy this secret and return to RevenueCat. Paste it into the shared secret field in your app settings. Once everything is connected, you can import your existing and app purchases directly into RevenueCat. You can also create new products from within RevenueCat if needed. Before finishing, make sure your tax and banking agreements are completed in App Store Connect. Also double-check that your API key has App Manager access. That is it. Your RevenueCat integration should now be ready to use. Thanks for watching.